We're going to talk about mirror principle. As the title says, the mirror principle, why and how manifestation works. So if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. And so now we already know that there are three sections available. One is 3D, another is 4D, and last is 5D. So as you can see, 3D is a conscious mind using senses, what you hear, see, taste, smell, all those, right? Which is your conscious mind, through which you are able to know what is happening. That is the conscious mind. The another level is 4D, where your emotions and feelings and thoughts play a major role. That is your subconscious mind. In the subconscious mind, everything is not visible, yet all the manifestation is happening only through subconscious mind. Because only through subconscious mind we are able to dive into the mind, right, in the mind part of the thing, right? And what is there in the mind will be reflected in life as it is shown here. Yeah, here as you can see, the image and reflection. An image corresponds to your mind and reflection corresponds to your life. So whatever you are feeding into your mind will be reflected, right, as a mirror, right, into your life. This is the basis, right? And above 4D we have 5D. There is a god frequency, and in that frequency everything exists. It's a high energy, it's a soul energy, right, where there is every possibility. Whatever you can dream of can be achieved when you are into 5D. That is the power of 5D. So when I'm talking about 5D, for example, if you're wishing to be a lawyer, right, and right now you're not a lawyer in reality, but this condition exists in 5D. So now you have to act, behave, and think like that you are that of lawyer. So what you are doing, you are channeling from 3D to 5D. And so now what will help you to think about the lawyer? Your emotions, feeling, and thought will combine, and you will try to imagine yourself as a lawyer. You will dress like it, you will behave like it, you will talk like it, and everything, right? So you are shifting your vibrations to higher frequency. And when you shift that vibrations to higher frequency, whatever is possible in 5D, you are able to manifest that in 3D, which is your reality. This is the essence. This is the reality of mirror principle. This is how mirror principle works. And this is how you are able to manifest, and you can manifest anything into your life. And that manifestation is so much fast you can't even imagine. So this is the real secret, right? So we have right now, whatever you are, whatever your reality is, it is in 3D. Now you want to change your reality that is in 5D, whatever that is you wish for. So let us come back to this image. So now as you can see that your image is a reflection, right? So now this is your reality. For example, reality, this is your reality, and this is your mind, that is your 4D, right? So whatever you are imagining yourself, you're converting into their reality, right? Whatever you are imagining, that is whatever beliefs you are having in your subconscious mind, whatever emotion, thoughts, and feelings you want, right, is reflected into your reality. So if you want to change your reality, you have to change your emotion, thoughts, and feelings. You have to change like how you act, behave, and do, right? That will change your reality. So for example, if your current reality is that you are poor, right, and so now you are always like saying yourself, I'm poor, I'm not having money, my bank account is empty. So what are you doing? You're giving more power to that belief, to that 4D, right? And so you will be becoming more poor because you are just giving your emotion, thoughts, feeling, acting, behaving, and thinking like that you are poor. So your reality will remain the same. Now let us take another example. If my reality is poor, but I'm thinking, behaving, acting, and doing the stuff as if I am rich. So now I'm changing my thoughts, right? My subconscious belief. So Whatever is there, suppose here is the richness, I will be able to attack it because I'm I'm channeling it, right? So now my though however my reality is poor, I will be able to manifest, I will become rich because of what I am thinking, because I'm changing my belief, because I'm shifting to higher vibration. So higher vibration is like the frequency, and when you give frequency the power, it will be manifested in the form of atoms, right? So if you're giving power to any thought or emotions which you want to manifest, that will come into reality just as light frequency is coming in the form of atoms. This is how you are able to manifest anything into your life. So so it is said that whatever you want to manifest into your life, it is already in your mind. So you have to change how you think, believe, say, do, which is everything related to your emotion, feeling, and thoughts. And when you change that, right, your reality starts changing, your life starts changing because you have changed your mind. Your life starts changing because you have changed your mind. This way it goes. So, whatever you are imagining here in 5D, whatever thing you want in your life, right? You have to think, behave, act, and feel about that so that you will be able to manifest that reality into your life. 3D. This is the essence. This is the reality. This is how the mirror principle works. So you have to practice this on a regular basis in order to make the reality, right, from your image to your reflection, right, from mind to life, from mind to life. Understand this. And this is the real secret for manifestation. You can become whatever you want. We are the multidimensional being having human experience. So what do you mean by multidimension? Multidimension refers to 5D, where everything exists. It's a God frequency, it's a higher energy, it's a soul energy. So everything which you can dream of, think of, believe of, act of, imagine, right, you can manifest into reality. This is the real secret. So this is the essence of mirror principle. I hope till now it is clear what is exactly mirror principle and how it works and how you can able to manifest anything into your life. This is the real secret. There are other tools which I have discussed on my channel regarding manifestation. You can just you can just uh, watch the video on my channel. I already made the video, right? If you like this content, make sure you like and subscribe, right? I will be making more of this type of content in the coming days. So yeah, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.